This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Leanne Amory Wallace. Duplex, upstairs and downstairs units exactly alike. Upstairs unity features a nice-sized balcony west/rear entrance/staircase. Downstairs unit features porch that can easily be screened in. Spacious shed can be shared by both apartments. Newly renovated west/all-new professional paint and flooring. Luxury laminate that is water and scratch-proof. Both up and down kitchens have newer appliances, including fridge. Window treatments convey. Light fixtures and bathroom fixtures have been replaced. Exterior has been nicely landscaped, porch and balconies painted. Live downstairs and rent upstairs for income-generating property, or for investors. This is move-in ready for tenants. Corner